So in this video we are going to create our own new method in our script, and we are going to use a new method called InvokeReapting for our random spawning of our animals after a time interval. If you don't watch our last video in which we use random.range method to randomize the spawn position of animals, make sure that you watch that video, otherwise this video will useless for you. So let's start. Hey guys, my name is Muhammad Umar Javed. For going to our video, make sure to like the video and press subscribe button down below and hit bell icon for all videos notification on this channel. So as you know, in our last class, we randomized the spawn position of our animals by adding this random.range in new vector 3. And now if I play, our animals are spawning from different places in certain memory like this, but these are spawning on our input. We want to spawn them on their own. So in our script, first we are going to create our own method. Like here, void update is a method, and we are going to create a new method after another method curly braces. Simply write void and name it spawn animal, and now parentheses. Like here in our update method, there are parentheses after the name of that method. So we add spawn animal method we create a. Now copy that from here by pressing Ctrl X or Command X and paste in this method. Now if I save, and in Unity you can see that it will do the same work, but our script is now readable. Now if I play, if I press S, nothing is happened because we don't call this method in our update method. Make sure that you, when create your own method, make sure that you call it in update method. Like here, spawn animal, adding parentheses, and now semicolon. From here you can call any method like this by adding his name and parentheses. Now if I save, now when I press S key, it will spawn animals. Play, S key, now it will doing good work. Here our animals are looking differently. So in our main camera, in camera settings, in inspector tab, go to this projection folder and select orthographic from perspective. Now here our animals are now looking good. And now if I play, our animals are now looking good. Okay, so we are going to now create a InvokeReapting method to call this method after a time interval. So Ctrl X and remove this if statement. Now simply write invoke, like here, InvokeReapting double quotes, and copy that method name which you want to spawn or call after a time interval. Add comma after its name. Now add float time 2 or then 1.5 is best. Semicolon. Make sure that you add F because it is a decimal value. Now if I save, in Unity it will call that method after 2 seconds and after 2 seconds, every 1.5 second it will spawn this, it will call this method. So now if I play, now they are spawning a lot. So go in Unity, in our script, change this value to, now take this invoke repeating statement, Ctrl X, and take it to void start. Now save in Unity, play. Now I see that it will working well. Yes, now it is working well, because in our update method it plays per frame, so the method calls per frame, so there's a lot of animals are spawning. So now it is looking good, but our move speed is very high, so in moves change its speed to some 20, and in override make sure to apply all, otherwise these moves have this change, its prefabs doesn't have this change. So what we do in this video, we create our own method of spawn animal, and we use that spawn animal method to call after an interval using a invoke repeating method. So now if I play, our animals are now spawning. Good. Very good. Okay, they are spawning rightly. So in next video we will solve the error of these collisions, that our pizzas are not colliding with these animals. We will use on trigger enter 2D method to collide these pizzas. Whenever they collide with animals, they will destroy. So if you enjoy this video, make sure to like and hit subscribe button, and I see you next time.